here only because your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only cause I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, 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 say what you're dying to say. No, 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 oh, tonight we're stars but we'll fade away.
Train service. I wonder if we're gonna go train hopping. I don't know. You can hear it in the background though, but we are in the jungles headed to go ride a train. Here we are at Harambe Station. Let's go head on. And the train just pulled in. The train is all open and ready for us to board. Let's go jump on in the very back because that's what's good. Straight up chilling, ready to take off, just like she is all perched up in our own car, guys.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Wildlife Express. Para que tengan un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados, con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la banca. Y por favor, vigilen a los niños. Gracias.
Wildlife Express, with service to Rafiki's Planet Lodge. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures, from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary nutrition and science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station. You can learn to draw your favorite Disney characters inspired by live animals from our animators. The tradition of animals and animation reaches all the way back to Walt Disney himself and his long-standing passion for conservation. He believed it was important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of motivation shaped his legacy, from animation to conservation to the very adventures we offer here at Disney's Animal Kingdom each and every day. As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Lodge, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way and the highly dining specials you get. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more. Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators
we're at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and I just subscribed to Pride Coaster Club, and you should too.
And of course, going back to my spot.
And keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Sit all the way back against the bench. And please, be sure to watch your children.
Bienvenidos. Comenzamos ahora nuestro viaje de regreso a la aldea africana de Harambe. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al costado de la barra. Y por favor, giren a los niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express, with service from Rafiki's Planet Watch to the village of Harambe. As you head back down to Disney's Animal Kingdom, we hope you take with you a great appreciation for the very journey that led us here. Walt Disney's passion for animal conservation that led him to send film crews across the globe to capture that footage of wildlife in remote locations. Walt Disney's True Life Adventure series touched the hearts of millions of viewers, inspiring a spirit of conservation and paving the road for the nature documentaries we see today. That same power eventually inspired the creation of Disney Nature, the latest continuation of this wildlife storytelling tradition. With the release of powerful films like African Cats, One China, and Penguins, Disney Nature creates a unique opportunity to connect wildlife on an emotional level, inspiring us to preserve nature through care and understanding. And did you know that each film provides an opportunity for families to become conservationists just by seeing the films? A portion of the first week's ticket sales for each Disney Nature release is directed through the Disney Conservation Fund to support specific conservation initiatives with nonprofit organizations around the globe. Rich legacy of animal storytelling that inspired the idea of Disney's Animal Kingdom, a place that celebrates our deep connection with animals, connection of nature, and the wonder of exploration that comes from preserving and protecting our natural world. As you venture out into the wild today, or make your way back to wherever you call home, remember that legacy lives in you. We are now approaching station. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please sit all the way back against the bench and avoid leaning out toward the railing. Remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop, and please be sure to watch your children as you exit. Go well. Preserving the magic of nature begins with you. Asante.
I really, really hope you guys do this, no matter wherever you are. Poachers suck.